So this is what we are working with at the moment. So as I said, yeah, the room's not that big. I'm literally gonna try and change as much as I can in here, but make the most of what is already here. So I've managed to semi-clean most of it and put quite a lot in the wardrobe. Oh my gosh, it's still quite a lot. It's an organized mess basically. There's literally just nowhere to put the stuff, but I just need to find somewhere because everything should be coming tomorrow, so I'll need to yeah, move all this out so I can actually build the stuff. So hopefully that goes all right. And yeah, oh, I can't wait to change these curtains. The curtains came, so I'm going to change those now. So this is what they look like currently.